Hello everyone, I am your new EVS teacher. My name is Shamim Banu. How are you all? I hope all you are fine. Let's begin today's class. From the chapter, the last section is good food, good health. First we have to discuss about good food. What do you mean by good food? The picture shows what is good food. A good food means healthy and germ-free food. A good food means healthy and germ-free food. Is it clear? Now, from the chapter, Dr. Abarna has two patients. One is Reshmi and other one is Kailash. Now let's see more about them. She is Reshmi. She is 5-year-old, but she looks 3-year-old. From the picture, we can see her arms and legs are very thin. Look on her belly. She has a pot belly. Pot belly means her stomach is like a balloon. And she always feels tired. She can't go to school regularly. That means she is not very active. My dear children, you are always ready to play. But she does not have the strength even have to play. Now let's see what she eats in a whole day. Reshmi is lucky if she can get a little rice or one roti to eat in the whole day. Think about that. Little rice or one roti in a day. Then it will be her lucky day. If she gets a little rice or one roti, she is very happy. My dear children, you and me are very lucky because we have breakfast, lunch, tea time, dinner, etc. So, when you wasting food, you just think about Rishmi. So, don't waste food. Now let's see what is the problem of Kailash. He is Kailash, 7-year-old, but he looks older than his age. From the picture we can see that he is very fat. He has pain in his legs. He is not very active. The common thing was both were not active. Reshmi and Kailash were not active. Let's see what food he eat in a day. Kailash is taking improper food. Because of that, his body is not getting all the nutrients and he has become fat and flabby. On the other hand, Rashmi also not taking proper food. So her body has become weak and frequently fall sick. There is one solution, that is eat healthy food. Food is important for our body, but Rashmi is eating less than her requirements and Kailash is overeating. We should eat proper food for proper growth of our body. A food which has all the nutrients in right amount is called proper food. All the nutrients means vitamins, minerals, dietary fibers, carbohydrates, water, fats, proteins, etc. Let's check what is proper food. A food which has all the nutrients in right amount is called proper food. A food which has all the nutrients in right amount is called proper food. From the picture, we can see about half of the children in our country like Rashmi. They don't get enough food that they need to grow properly. So these children are sick and poor in health. But it is the right of every child to get proper food. The right of every child is that getting proper food. Just like Rashmi, we have a story of Gomti. She is Gomti. She is 30 years old. She works in the field of a rich farmer. For all her hard work, she gets very little. So little that she cannot even buy enough rice to feed her family. Some months she does not get any work. Then she has to eat leaves and roots from the jungle. Think about that. A man lives with eating leaves and roots. Gomti's children are weak with hunger and always sick. Her children are very weak with hunger. Few years ago, her husband died from hunger. Do you heard about the district Kalahandi? Kalahandi district in Odisha. Gomti from Kalahandi district. Most rice grows in Kalahandi district. Rice is even sent to other states. Many times the rice that keeps lying in the godowns gets spoiled. In the same Kalahandi, there are many poor people like Gomti. So, in our country, many people died because of hunger. My dear children, you can help to giving extra food for needy people. That is very good habit. So that's all for today. Here the chapter is wind up. Here is your homework. First one is what is proper food. Second one, think about yourself, your daily activities and your daily diets. And also compare with your grandparents. Is these are similar to them or not? Okay. You have to write in your notebook and show me into the next class. Thank you.